Hello everyone! You may have been wondering how you change the words on your little samples up here. Well, it's actually really easy. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you select which one you want to change. Let's say I want to change this. I select SFX and it will bring me to Mixer. If it doesn't for whatever reason, you can get here by going to Mixer and making sure that lighting is selecting. This is settings, make sure lighting is selected. And then you're going to go to the preview. If this is also not selected, you want to go to another channel, you can also cycle through by going to the different channels and you'll see that it's highlighted based on what channel you're on. This is channel 4, 3, 2, 1. And you can see that it is the same thing here, 4, 3, 2, 1. We want to change channel 3. So here's the preview, and you can even invert it if you like. I have it inverted. And you're going to go over to where it says text. Let's say I want to change it to samples. You can scroll up or down to change what you want it to look like. And there it says samples. If you want to add your own, you can go to the plus sign right here and it will say create. And then you will put in effects or whatever you want, and it will also mirror what you've done up here. After, this is the most important step, you're going to go over to here, make sure that you select the profile that you want. Right now I'm in default vaporwave. You can add your own profile, but whichever profile you want this to be in, make sure it's selected and make sure you go to the save icon down here and press save. It's going to ask you if you want to overwrite, confirm, press OK, because you will lose all your settings if you don't. Anyways, I hope that helped. If you like this video, I guess, just let me know in the comments. All right, have a good day.